So, today we're talking about the filters. Y'all know what this is, right? Yes. This is a air filter for your house, apartment, whatever, wherever you live. This is the filter for that, okay? Now, we also have a filter for the vehicle. It's called the interior. It's called the cabin air filter, okay? This one goes behind the glove box. So it has a lot to do with, with the scent of the vehicle and what you're breathing in, okay? It's a filter. It stops things. Now here's the thing I want to show you today. This is a used one. It's dirty. You see how white the sides are, or as white as my cap? That's how this should look. Well, that ain't happening right now. So that's why they changed it out. Sometimes they'll come in, y'all, with all types of debris, mostly leaves, full of leaves, and unfortunately, sometimes rodent droppings too. So this is why you want to keep this thing checked and clean uh, as soon as it needs it. Probably more often than most change it, but definitely a need. Again, it should be white like this, as you can see. Yeah, and it catches the debris. It can also get into areas of the vehicle AC system that it shouldn't be in. This one is what they call a carbon one. It lasts a lot longer and it's heavier, much heavier in weight. See, see how flimsy that one is. This one's kind of sturdy. So this is the one I use. It lasts longer, and as you can see, you can't really pull it apart that easily. You have to really kind of put a little pressure on it. I love the carbon cabin air filters, but again, I'm talking about what filters today. This does not go in your car. It goes with the house. Okay? But again, how often should you change it? Well, depends on your driving conditions. Where do you live? You live in a rural area. A lot of dirt, right? A lot of dust. If you have allergies, definitely you want to change this thing out. Well, how often? Again, it's kind of hard to just say how often, but every 15,000 miles wouldn't hurt. Sure wouldn't hurt it. But a cabin air filter, okay? This is your cabin air filter. You also have another filter now that goes with the engine. It needs to breathe too. It also helps with what? Fuel economy, all right? Filters, okay? Filters, filters, filters. Please remember that. This one here does the same thing. It catches debris that's inside could go inside your engine, and we don't want that, right? It gets a little stopped up sometimes, and it causes it to run a little sluggish. This is why we call it vehicle vitamins. These are some of the vitamins that your car needs, right? Excuse me, air filters as well as what? Cabin air filters. Don't forget, we're talking filters.